So here's some more vocab. It says, find the zeros of the function. Okay? So here, it says by rewriting the function in intercept form. What is it? How can we rewrite something in intercept form? What is basically intercept form? X minus 5, x plus 2. What is that basically? They're in factors, right? So all we're going to do is take letter A, and we're going to factor letter A. That's intercept form, right? So go ahead and factor letter A. Y equals, if you factor that should be quick for you right now. Fraction negative 12 that add up to negative 1, which are x what? Minus 4, x plus 3. We just took this and put it in intercept form. Nice. Good. Now what is it asking for? That's not what it's asking for. It says find the zeros. Now this is a little bit different, but the same. Okay? The only thing different is it has y equals. All you're going to do is, what this means is, what values of x make y equal to 0? That's all you're going to do is do this. You're going to replace y with 0. That's all you're going to do. That's what you did last problem. You didn't replace it. It was already there. Right? The last problem said 0 equals x minus 4, x plus 3. Right? So when it says find the zeros, what does that mean? When y is 0, what is the x value that makes y 0? So in this case right here, what is the x values that make y equal to 0? You can tell me just by looking at it, right? X equals 4 and x equals negative 3 if you set both of these equal to 0, right? Now look, we can do this in our calculator. You notice the picture. All you have to do is hit second calculate, and there is something called, it says 0 in your calculator. It'll give you each of these zeros if you set the right boundaries. I'll teach you how to do that next time, setting boundaries. You could probably figure it out yourself. Set a boundary to the left, set a boundary to the right. It'll guess, it'll pick those points for you. Okay? So here's a 0, x equals negative 3, and you could choose the other one, x equals 4. These are called the zeros of the function. What else are they? They're x-intercepts. What else? They're roots. These two things are roots of the function. What else? They're solutions of the function. You see how all these words are intertwined? Only a little bit different situation in all of these questions, right? Just a little bit different situation, but really all meaning the same exact thing. Okay? So, you go ahead and do letter B. Find the zeros of letter B. So if you rewrote it in intercept form, it would look like x what? Plus 6. And you could write it beside it for the moment, but really this is x plus 6 squared, right? Now, if you solve these two, when it equals 0 over here, your answers are negative 6 and negative 6, right? Which really means just negative 6. If you looked at the calculator, how would you see negative 6 and negative 6? You wouldn't. You would only see it touching one place at negative 6. Okay? Alright guys, good job. I'll see you next time. Study up, do your homework.